Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to order directly on 1688 with your Alipay. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Salva, Pinduoduo, or IDPish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to order directly in 1688 with Alipay, the very easy way. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to make sure we open up our 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. So having opened up your 1688 shopping app, then the next thing you need to do is to search for an item. So basically there are various ways to search for an item on 1688. One of the first way is to type the keyword of the item you are looking for into the search bar right here. You are going to see a similar result. The second way to search for an item on 1688 is to make use of item QR code scan. At this point here, this is called item QR code scan. So in this section right here, it allows you to upload the screenshot or a picture of an item that comes with QR code. So it directly take you to the supplier sales page link on 1688. Alternatively, you can use this camera icon here. So what you do here is to simply upload the picture of a particular item you are looking for. Then you are going to see a similar result on 1688. Alternatively, if you are looking for new and latest item, simply click on this particular icon right here. This allows you to see variety of latest items uploaded by different supplier, different factory on 1688. So another way to source for an item is to simply scroll down here and then you'll be able to see all available item. Right here, there is no limit to what you can scroll. So the more you scroll, the more the item load up. So whichever way it is convenient for you, what you need to do is to search for the right items. After you search for an item, so the next thing is to add the item to cart. So let's check out on how we can actually add an item to cart. All right, this bag right here is what I'm going to order directly in 1688 with my Alipay. Now, this supplier here did not allow adding item to cart before you make a purchase. It is a direct payment and direct ordering on 1688. So for you to know that, so by the time you click on here in attempt to add an item to cart, you see that the adding of item to cart is not going to be available. So let's quickly close this pump up. Then by the time we click on purchase direct right here, so you see that the item is going to be appear. It's as simple as that. So what I need here, I need 3 black, then I need just 1 red. So I will click on 1, I need 1 red. So everything in number here is 4. So what I need to do next is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you need to make sure that your Alipay is checked. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then you click on here to confirm your payment. Then enter your payment password. So you can see here that payment has been done successful. So the next thing we want to do is to click on here to close this pump up. Then we have to go back to my profile. So we have to come this way. Then the next thing I need to do to visit my profile is to simply click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the direct order is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Here we go. So this is the red color and this is the black color. It's as simple as that. So this is how to order directly in 1688 with your Alipay the easy way. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Salva, or Pindodo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.